Gravitas Ventures has acquired the global rights to Isaac H. Eaton's 2023 crime thriller, Welcome to Redville, starring Jake Manley, Heidi Kwan and Chris Elliott. Gravitas, the Anthem sports and entertainment company, has set the film's world release for August 29. Welcome to Redville tells the story of a robbery gone wrong and the couple forced on the run in a small desert town called Redville. As drama and death ensues, couple Leo, Manley and Tony, Kwan discover that Redville and its strange townspeople are hard, if not impossible, to shake off. The film was written by Eaton and Danny DeVoto. It was produced by Eaton and Frank Zanka and was executive produced by Brad Kramer and Alice Abernathy. Bill Gensler, Gravitas Ventures VP of Acquisitions, made the deal with Ramolo. Veteran location manager Dow Griffith is set to receive the Location Managers Guild International's LMGI Lifetime Achievement Award at the 10th Annual LMGI Awards taking place on August 26, the Guild announced Wednesday. With a lifetime career defined by over 65 motion pictures, Griffith is being honored for his rich creativity and enthusiasm that have set the scene for movie sites literally around the world. Griffith's movie credits span across titles including Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, Jumanji, and Justice for All, Proof of Life, Carrie, Dinosaur, Mission to Mars, and Sleepless in Seattle, among others. We regard Dow to be the quintessential location manager as we have followed his adventures across the globe, said Robin Citron, supervising location manager. Well-traveled and full of tales, Dow can be dropped off anywhere in the world and he will return with stories and must-go places. He is resourceful, personable, and highly adaptable to any situation with a lifetime of rich escapades. He is most deserving to be honored with this year's LMGI Lifetime Achievement Award.